Joining me, we're going to talk about the New Jersey real estate purchasing process. So the number one thing in New Jersey that differs from New York is that the realtors typically will do the contract. You do have a 3-day period to have it reviewed by an attorney. So it's very important that when you're shopping for real estate and you're making an offer, you have your attorney already picked. And once you sign that contract and get it back signed by the seller, I need to have it, or your attorney needs to have that in time to object to the contract, give a attorney review letter, which is like a New York rider. If you look at my other video, you'll kind of see what we go over there. And in that, we will do what we can to protect you, to change the contract slightly, add a lot of those similar ideas that I had in that video. Then you would do your inspection. Depending on the results of the inspection, will dictate if you're going forward or not. It is somewhat less costly than in New York for the same reason. There's no mortgage tax. So it might be a viable option for you. So if you have any more questions, just give me a call and we can go more in depth in the New Jersey process. Thank you. Enjoying the videos that you've watched today. They're not meant to be a substitution for speaking with your legal professional, but just an educational tool. Thank you.